Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by opening Google Pay and signing in with the same Google account that holds your payment details. This ensures the number you seek is visible. Once signed in, make sure the app has permission to access contacts and phone status so link numbers appear. If you used multiple accounts, switch to the correct one now. Otherwise, you may view the wrong profile. This first step establishes the right context and unlocks the screens where numbers and account details are stored. Next, tap your profile icon in the top right corner to open your account area. This is where Google Pay stores personal contact info. Once there, choose payments methods or personal info depending on the app layout, because phone numbers may show under either. Scroll to the section labeled Phone or Contact and check the listed number. If you want account-specific numbers, open the linked bank or card and view details. Make sure you read labels carefully so you grab the right number for your need. Finally, tap the displayed phone number to reveal full details and any edit or verification options, because some numbers are partially hidden until confirmed. Once visible, use the copy icon or long press to copy it for sharing or pasting into forms. Make sure you only copy into trusted fields. If the number is missing or incorrect, sign out and sign back in, check account selection, or update the app. These steps often restore visibility when caching or
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.